Ito yung, this is now baka magkuha sa video diri. This is now the fish of Maria here at Jimmy's. Here. Nagkuha sa inyong isda karon ay. So this one, this is tuna. This is tuna. That's one, that's a... Kasi pangalan ni gani isda, gani, ya? Ha? Palawan?
Pandawan.
Pandawan. This is Pandawan. This is tuna. So, ang 1 kilo, ani, yang, Maria, pila kilo, ani? Ha? Pila yang? I cannot hear what this is. This is Pandawan. This is tuna. That's a parrotfish. So, they are the supplier here in Carbon. Their fish came from Palawan. Okay, bye-bye.